Hello, 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 and welcome to this EM360 video. Today we'll be talking about Sinequa, a company focused on delivering information-driven journeys. And sitting here with me today is Martin Saunders, a solutions consultant for Sinequa. Hello, Martin, and thank you for joining me today.
Hi, Tom. Pleasure to be here.
So, walk me through what Sinequa is all about. What is your mission statement at Sinequa?
So, Sinequa, we're a privately held independent software vendor, and we produce a AI-powered search platform. Otherwise, some people sometimes refer to that as cognitive search.
Right.
What that's about is taking data in all sorts of forms that exist in companies and transforming it into information that's actionable by users, either to expedite a process or make a decision.
So, walk me through a little more about what this AI-powered search platform is like. What's the sort of magic behind it?
So if you think about most organizations, they've got piles of data, and very often it's siloed. And that can be, rows and columns, structured data, or it could be unstructured data, documents, Word, PDF, etc., and things like that. And what we do is we connect to that wherever it is, inside the company, outside the company. We process it with natural language processing to extract meaning. We enhance it with machine learning, and then we store all that in an index, which is then searchable and browsable by users to answer their specific questions or to browse through their data, discover new things that they never knew existed.
And what's that user experience like once they have everything ready for them, made by Sinequa?
Well, it's a broad range. Because some of our customers, for instance, will be doing what would traditionally be called something like enterprise search. So you've got tens of thousands, possibly hundreds of thousands of users who want to find where something is, find a particular document they know exists, or find something that they think might exist. And they typically will have quite a slimmed down user interface that very clean, uncluttered, gets them to where they want to go to or what they need to find very quickly. Someone in a more specialist role, more of what we would consider the typical knowledge worker, might require much more depth, much more insight, and our platform supports both.
So speaking of requirements and necessities thrown at Sinequa, what's the sort of average profile of a customer for Sinequa?
Well, it's any organization that's got a lot of data, particularly the unstructured stuff. We tend to join that with structured information and present it. So where organizations have that in volume, in silos, and it's crucial for making decisions or moving processes along, then that's a good customer for Sinequa.
Right. Could you maybe give me some sort of real use cases?
Well, if you think about that profile and then think about industries where that exists, we have many customers in pharmaceuticals, for instance. Lots of data, lots of unstructured data, and they need to be able to get information from it quickly rather than just be siloed in applications. Same in finance, same in insurance, same in public sector.
Right. See, the way I look at it, it seems like Sinequa is the type of search engine where if I had 100 questions, I could ask the first one and I'd have the other 99 answered immediately, which is amazing.
Well, it's a good point. That's what many of our customers refer to as 360 view. You find something and you've immediately got follow-on questions. Well, if that information's in our platform and we're understanding some of the meaning and connecting the dots between these things, we can present that to you straight away. So yes, in that sense, ask one question, get your follow-on ones answered in a holistic view to you, moving things quickly.
Well, that sounds incredible. And unfortunately, it seems like we have run out of time, but I want to thank Martin. Thank you so much for joining us. It's been great speaking to you. For more videos like this, visit us at em360tech.com. And to learn more about Sinequa, visit them at sinequa.com. And they also have a LinkedIn page that you can follow. Thank you so much. Thank you, Martin, again. And we'll speak to you later. Goodbye.